Your code execution path is broken because of the x64 Ruby 220 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and I'm here to help you resync your system libraries. As we get into the manual process for x64 Ruby 220, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the x64 Ruby 220, the Ruby 2.2.0 interpreter for 64-bit Windows. It facilitates the localized unmanaged execution of Ruby scripts, managing the localized heap, garbage collection, and C extension loading. Mandatory for legacy localized DevOps tools and web frameworks using Ruby 2.2. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. For the best results, try a fresh installation of Ruby. Navigate to Microsoft's download library, obtain both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ packages, and install them to fix the corrupted file. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the x64 Ruby 220 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Keep in mind that x64 Ruby 220 DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve x64 Ruby 220 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.